Yeah,
traveling with love. Everybody, it's Vincent
and
Olivia. And one of the things that Olivia, well, let me explain this. What I do for Olivia is she's trying to pick up her Italian, right?
Yes.
And since I'm fluent, I help her.
Well, technically, I help you.
It's not true. I help her. I ask her questions. Well, here's what I do. I'll let her ask me questions, and then so she thinks she's the one teaching me, but I'm really teaching her. You see what I'm saying? Drop the mic, bam. That's what I'm talking
You
about.
don't even have a mic in your hand.
Oh, I don't.
Or you would just drop the I don't know, the fork that you usually
no,
drop.
second. I got a pen, so I just dropped the pen, guys. See what I mean? You see what I mean? Okay. She's the one that teaches me Italian. And so we figured, well, we got high five or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you got a Warner Brothers throwing up high fives like that and stuff. I was about to poke myself in the eye. But every now and then she'll just say, "Hey, Papino, let me ask you some questions in Italian." So we figured, hey, we would invite you guys, so maybe you could pick up a little Italian yourself.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Start. I got this. I'm telling you.
Do you know how to say hippopotamus?
Hippopotamo. 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 It doesn't matter. But what if I go hippopotamo? No, okay. Yeah, how do I say it?
Hippopotamo.
Wait.
Hippopotamo.
That's what I said.
No, you didn't.
Hippopotamo.
No.
Hippopotamo. I don't know. I sound like I was back home in South Carolina. Hippopotamo, yo. Okay, now seriously, how did you say it?
Hippopotamo. And you said hippopotamo.
I think that's kind of the same. It's just what is this?
An O. I got soap in my eye this morning.
So it's just gonna compare. Got something in your eye. Okay, so hippopotamo. Did I say it right that time? Mo. Hippopotamo. I know something sounded weird about it. Hippopotamo.
Okay, yes, that was.
You're like, let's go, let's move. Okay,
Yes,
go ahead. Tell me.
How do you say door?
Door?
Yeah.
La porta.
You still have the R a little.
La porta. You want la porta. La porta. La porta.
Okay. How do you say fence?
Fence. Il Firenze. No. That wasn't right.
That wasn't right at all.
Okay. How do you say fence?
Allora.
Hold on. You can't keep doing that because that'll keep making noise and it'll pick up on the microphone. Go ahead.
Rete.
No. I was about to say you never told me what fence is. Okay. Rete.
It's rete.
Il rete.
No.
No, la rete.
Si.
Okay, la rete. You got to tell me the article because that's important. In Italian, that's important. Okay, so give me another one. Yo, I got this. I got this.
Rhinoceros.
Really? you can't give me flower or cat. You got to go with hippopotamus and rhinoceros. Okay, rhinoceros.
No, I think that's dinosaur.
That's a dinosaur. No.
Rinoceronte.
Rinoceronte. Okay.
Yeah. And then we see flower.
Flower. Really? Okay. Fiore.
Window.
La finestra.
What about band-aid?
Pancakes.
Band-aid.
Band-aid. La bandiera.
Anything else?
No. Okay, no. Lambon. No. I remember now. La Canucha. That's a story.
Okay, let's just move on.
No, I want to know what braid. Okay, cos'è? Come si dice?
What did I say anyway?
Vende.
Come
si dice?
Cerotto.
Cerotto. Ah, cerotto. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
What about braid?
Braid?
Yes.
No. Because how do I know what braid is? Why would I know
Treccia.
Why would I need to know what a braid is? Because I obviously have a little trouble with my hair.
Treccia.
Okay. Treccia. Okay. Okay, so this last one, we're going to stop for the day. But this last one, if I get it, I get 100,000 million gazillion points. And go. Oh.
Okay, let's.
No.
What about I'm thinking what? What about
I mean, you speak Italian, so you should know a lot of stuff in Italian.
Computer.
Computer. No.
Yes. Another one.
Hey, I win 100 million.
No, wait.
What is it? Is that zoobity bop bop doo bop bop bop?
What about desk?
Desk. La deskiera. No, it's not. That's not what it is. That's not even close. Yeah. You forgot. She's the Italian one. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. I don't know how often we're going to do this, but when we do it, we want to invite you in. We want you to have a little laugh, and hopefully you learn a little something because Vince and
Olivia.
Y'all have a great one.